everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 6 of my daily savings in July. I can't believe July 4th weekend just flew by. We went to a cabin up in Mount Charleston, which we were on a wait list for because they open up all their cabins to dog friendly, so people book like years in advance. So I was on a wait list and I got a call a couple days before the 4th and they were like, do you want it? I'm like, yes. It wasn't super comfortable for me, but Coco didn't have to lose her mind once. Jake didn't have to lose his mind, and it was just nice to get away. So I got back early this morning and I'm trying to get caught up on some videos. So we should have $6 here to go into our quarter minis sharks. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's tomorrow's money. So $6. So we're going to take that cash and we're going to put it into our minis bank. And then we're going to take our prop coins and we're going to switch it out for the exact $6. I was going to shuffle it. They're all 25 cents. So I don't have to shuffle. And this is on my Etsy, and I have a link to it if you're interested in saving this way. And these little tags are from Dawn Sunrise Budgeting on her Ko-fi. So I have my little start here reminder. So we're going to start at number 2, the Great White. Let's tuck that in there. Let's get our... Are you going to be in the way? I can't tell. I think you're okay. All right, so let's roll our die and put however many, whatever number it is, that many prop coins down. So 1, 2, and 3 for number 2. 3 for 3. Did you guys have a nice weekend? I hope so. 2 for number 4. 1 for number 5. 2 for number 6. I don't think we're close to finishing any. They're pretty new. 1 for 1. 1, 2, and 3 for number 2. 1, 2, and 3 for 3. I will be watching the U.S. men's soccer game later today. So 1, 2, 3. So, and 1, 2, 3. All right, so we will start at number 6. Let's put our little start here tag. I'm gonna move this guy. Looks like he's eating the cash tray. No glare. Okay, so we're gonna go back to 1. And we saved 25 cents. I hope you're sitting down for that amount. That was kind of a lot. Okay, so let's get this out. This is from Mindy at SW Fanatic Saves. She took this picture at the aquarium. So we only get to do 1 circle, but that is 1 circle closer to our saving $8. And that is awesome, and that's going to go to household. So I'm going to tuck that in there. Okay, number 2 made up for number 1, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's $1.50 in number 2. Oh, and this is a new one from Kimmy's Corner. And each corner, each box is 25 cents, so we have $1.50. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, and 50. So we finished one of these. So we'll work on the little popsicles next time. That one's going to Walmart. Plus, okay. And then number 3, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, so $1.50. And this one's from Dawn at Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we only needed $1.25. That's awesome. So we did finish one today with me riding a shark. So we saved $6 with this one. And that one's going to Apple TV. That's written on there, so we're good to go. So let's put that back. So we have 25 cents to go into a new one. What do we have back here? Oh, heifer, please. Let's Kel butts. That's too funny. All right, so we have 4. Wait, 4, 4, 4. So these two have to be 50. I think that's right. So $1, $1, $1, $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that'll be $5. So we can do 1 butt for 25 cents. Let's go into Apple TV. Let's write that on there. And that one's done. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $1.25 in number 4. This one is from Greta at Agape Book Club, which is now Agape Co. I believe she changed her name. So we have $1.25. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1.25. Okay. So we are very close. We have 75 more cents to go, and that one will be done. All right, number 5. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $1 going into number 5. Oh, and this is from Budgeting with Kim. I'm going to write it on here. Super cute little stars. It's going to our buffer. So we get to do another row, and I'm going to color this in and be right back. All right, we're row filled. Take that $1 away. One, two, three, 4. Okay. I think that was right. $4. All right, and then number 6. Got 50 cents. At least we're starting there next time. And this one is from Kimmy's Corner as well. So each one is 50 cents. Nope, each one is 25 cents. We have 50 cents, so let's do 2 more. And this is Fishin' and Free. This is on her Etsy. So let's put this back in here. So we actually finished one, so we get to unstuff that and put that into our Apple TV envelope. So let's put our prop coins away. And we get to take out $6 for this one from Dawn at Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. So we have 5 and 6. And these little dollars add up. Like my Apple TV will be paid off by the time it's due. So let's stuff that really fast. I think that will be in this one. Everything's basically in this one. It's so stuffed. Apple TV. So let's add our $6. And we have 20, 35, 45, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 61, and 2. And it looks like $99, and it's due April 2nd. So we have a long time to go. So that these little amounts will be perfect to add up towards that. So that's awesome. All right, guys, that is all I have for today. And I hope you come back for tomorrow's daily for day 7. And this is fun to bring this back. I enjoy it. And the little wins might not happen every day, but just that $6 towards my Apple TV, that I know this is a fun way, and that will be fully satisfied by the time I need to go and pay it. So love it. So have an awesome week, and until next time, take care. Bye.